I want to ask you a question. Why are you scared to copy your fellow artist style? Why? Now we have been brainwashed a lot about get your own style, make sure you own your own style. Trust me, you're a beginner. You are now starting art. Where are you getting the style from? I told you some time ago that before you break the rules, you need to master the rules. So where are you getting all this style from? Like get your own style, get your own style. You need to own your own style. I don't argue with that. I'm not against that. As a beginner, trust me, you need to copy. You need to copy a style from your heroes. Do you understand? There's a popular quote from Pablo Picasso that good artists copy and great artists steal. Where do you think that is coming from? Now, in this video, I'm going to teach you a simple way to copy from your favorite artist and turn it into your own style. Now, my name is Logo Art. Like the video and let's continue. Now, as a beginner, you need to copy. Trust me, you need to copy as a beginner, and this is the best way to do it. Now, a lot of people look up to Logo Art. Trust me, I still copy from my heroes. I still copy from my favorite artists and find a way to turn it into my own style. That is the easiest way as a beginner to rise. Do you understand? And this is the best way to do it. Now, imagine you're a painter, you are an artist, you are into painting and stuff. One of the things that you can copy from your heroes or your favorite artists is their colors, okay, and their brush strokes, how they do their compositions. Do you understand? There are some petty things that you can copy from them, some key things that you can copy from your heroes. You can have like 3 or 4 heroes. Do you understand? So you look at their colors, how they combine their colors, how they apply their brush strokes, how they do their composition and other stuff, other little stuff. You look at these things from like 3 people, 3 heroes or 3 favorite artists that you have. You copy like one, then you combine, you merge all these techniques that you've copied from these people, then you turn it into your own style. That's the best way to do it. Do you understand? So you have been following 2 or 3 artists for a while, so you pay attention to the way they apply their strokes, the way they do their sketches, the way they apply their, if they are pencil artists, the way they apply their charcoal, the way they do their skin details. Do you understand? And other stuff, the way they used to apply their materials. Then you copy from 1, 2, 3 people, then you match all these techniques, then you turn it into your own style. But then before you turn it into your own style, you need to practice what they do. Do you understand? You need to practice the way they apply their strokes. Remember, I told you before you break the rules, you need to master the rules. So you copy from these artists in the intention of you need to practice. Do you understand? So whilst you are copying, you need to be practicing their skills. You need to be practicing them. So you copy from this artist, you practice it, you make sure you master it. You copy from that artist, you make sure you practice it. Then after that, after you've mastered all their techniques, then you combine, you pick this technique from different sources. Then you combine them, then you create your own style. That's the best way to do it. But as a beginner, when you are being told that try and get your own style, don't focus on other people's style, where are you going to get the style from? Where are you going to create? Okay, this intention, these things limit the beginners a lot, to the extent that they even go far as giving up. Do you understand? So you copy from different sources, then you merge it, then you create your own style. Trust me, I still copy. I still copy from my great people, my heroes, people I look up to in the industry who are into art. I still copy from them. So as a beginner, don't be lied to that you need to get your own style. Where are you getting, my question, where are you getting all this stuff from? To try and copy from people, your heroes, people you look up to, then combine. I told you some of the things that you need to look up to. You can copy their color. If you are if you are a painter, you can copy their color, you can copy their elements, their material they use, their compositions, and other stuff that makes them unique. Copy it and practice it. and make sure you combine this technique they use and use it as your own. Do you understand? So that is how you can also create your own style as a beginner. I hope this is helpful. My name is Logo Art. If you like this video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tips and arts. Thank you.
Now we have a drawing class online where we teach beginners how to draw from scratch and how to produce realistic drawing and become that great artist you ever wanted to be. Now this course is available on our website logoart.com. You can either purchase the course there directly or pick the number on the screen and message us on WhatsApp and we will enroll you in this course. Now this course is available for everyone, whether you are in the country or outside the country, everybody around the world. Or maybe you want the tools and materials used in this video and you don't know where to buy them. Now we have everything available. Now pick the number on the screen and message us on WhatsApp and we will deliver to wherever you are. You are always welcome.